Hello friends, today we are going to see Tech Mahindra chart. As you can see the Tech Mahindra chart, the stock is trading around 1009, and if you see the all-time high of the stock, it is almost 1835. So it is clearly trading below almost 50, above 50% discount. So if we move to the analysis, look at the monthly chart. The stock is in the continuous uptrend. It broke the levels here. So after touching an all-time high, the stock is in the continuous downtrend and it is consolidating at a pace. So if we move on to the weekly chart, you can clearly see the stock is consolidating over a period of weeks, so it's a good sign. Again, we come to the daily time frame of analysis. So you can clearly see where the stock have been broken up. So this is the place where the stock have been took a gap up opening and it went to the high. So we can mark the breakout levels, and you can clearly see once the stock came down, it tried to hold the breakout level but it couldn't able to hold and came down. Again it tried to rebreak the level but it couldn't. So after a series of attempts, the stock have been trading in the zone of 1000 to 1100. So if you clearly see, the stock is in a good consolidation zone. Uh, and one more thing is Tech Mahindra is a good valued stock and it is trading at below 80% of discount. It's a good sign. So one can accumulate Tech Mahindra around the region of 1000 levels. It is good for swing trading, and even if you are a long-term investor, you can close your eyes and hold the stock for a long term. The first target would be around 1100, and the second target would be around 1300, and the third target would be for the 1550 for the swing traders. And even in the short term, the stock has able to go about 1100. Even for investors, the stock is good enough to hold 1000 levels and move along. Always the stock tries to reach its higher high. So the stock have the maximum potential to reach the 1800 levels, which we can expect a 80% return. And if you can also see the dividends, the stock have given almost 48 rupees in the past for the last year dividends. So that's also a good sign. Even if you are a long term, you will get around 4 to 5% around returns in the dividends itself. So that's it guys. Please analyze the stock and buy it and make profits. Thank you.